Hello guys, here we are for our another edition of Kitchen Counter Talks, and tonight we are serving up some curly fries. Here's the ones that haven't been in the air fryer yet. Here's the air fryer ones. Oh yum yums. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. And then over here, I am picking apart a chicken that has been in the crock pot for all day, or several hours at least. And this is about a 4-pound bird, so it's a little smaller than we typically have. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the skin off, and I'm going to get rid of all that meat. I'm going to put the meat over here, and then I'm going to put all the skin and all the bones back into the crock pot, cover the bones with water, with enough water, and put a little apple cider vinegar in there. Right now, I'm having to use apple cider vinegar that I've purchased, but I am currently making some delicious apple cider vinegar right here, and there's some awesome bubbles coming out of there right now. So I'm really excited. So I got about another month for apple cider vinegar and my homemade stuff. So that's what I'm making tonight. And I opened up a jar of green beans that I've had canned. And so I'm cooking all straight from the farm. The potatoes are from the farm. I had some olive oil, tossed it with that, put some garlic salt on there and paprika, put them in the air fryer at 400 for 15 minutes, and they are delicious. So we're going to eat fresh from the chicken tonight. You know, doesn't that look, it's so attractive looking, isn't it? So we're going to eat from it tonight. The leftovers will be made into quesadillas or wraps or anything that I can think of just to use shredded chicken for. So good stuff, right? Okay, kitchen counter talks. What's on your kitchen counter tonight?